Hello friends, welcome to Khub Cloud YouTube channel.
In this video, we are going to see how we can improve our PC performance without any cost. Have you experienced your computer being laggy or stuck in not responding screens?
Then you are watching the right video to solve your issue.
The permanent solution for slow computers is to upgrade to a SSD or to increase your RAM.
But now, there's a small trick that you can speed up your PC free of charge.
For this, Microsoft have launched an app called Microsoft PC Manager. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe us for more videos.
So let's take a look at today's video. Watch this video until the end to check out the new option called Smart Boost that can boost your PC automatically.
Now, we'll see how we can download Microsoft PC Manager. First, open your internet browser. Then, head over to a website called pcmanager.microsoft.com. I will put the link down in the description below or click this card to get the link. This app is compatible with Windows 10 and Windows 11. As website shows us, Microsoft PC Manager is specially made to boost your PC performance by cleaning up your system. And this also acts as a tool which can manage your storage by finding large and unwanted files. PC Manager also can quickly check your PC's health and fix issues fast by scanning the system. Another big advantage of this app is it can work as a fully integrated professional antivirus protector. To download this app, click this download button over here. After downloading, click here to install the app. Tick this I accept button and click the install button. It will install in a few seconds. After downloading, click this Launch Now button so you can open up the PC Manager in the desktop.
As you can see, now my temporary files have increased my RAM usage. If you need the maximum performance out of your device, click this boost button over here. Then it will automatically clear up your temporary files and increase your computer's performance. So like this, keep a habit of cleaning your temporary files so that your computer won't be slow anymore.
If you look at the other options in this app, there are many other options as health check, storage management, process management and startup apps. First, from health check option, you can scan your computer and you can proceed any changes that your system suggests you. Usually, Windows Health Check will show items to clean up, potential issues, startup apps under this section. Proceeding these changes will make your PC more healthier than earlier.
From the storage management option, you can manage large files in your system that cause slowness to your computer. You can simply find large files by selecting file size and the file type, and click this View in File Explorer button. This will automatically find the large files for you in seconds. And Storage Manager also provides a great tool called Deep Cleanup that can perform full cleanup scan in your device. From this option, you can clean up large system update files, recycle bin as well as web cache. So after selecting what you want to delete, click this proceed button here. Then it will clean up your system in few seconds. And there's another two shortcuts over here. From Manage Apps shortcut, you can delete your unused apps, and also from shortcut called Storage Sense, you can simply enable storage in your system that can automatically clear up temporary files.
If you head over to Process Management option in the home page, you can see what are the background processes running now in your computer. So they are sorted out with the descending order in your system. You can simply end unwanted processes by clicking these end buttons.
There's one other option called Startup Apps. From this, you can disable Startup Apps, so this will help you to boot your system more quicker than earlier. If you jump into Security tab over here, you can scan your whole system for any threats in few seconds using this button. And also, this page have three options called Windows Update, Browser Protection and Pop-up Management. Windows Update is a great tool that we can check the new updates from one click without using the settings page.
From Browser Protection option, you can block changes by malicious apps, and also you can change the default browser as well. The last option on Security tab is Pop-up Management. From this, you can block pop-up windows in apps as well. So friends, if we go to the Settings tab that placed over here, you can simply disable this app in Startup. I suggest you to keep the Update Automatically option enabled so you can keep your PC manager up to date. And there's another new option called Smart Boost that can boost your PC when you need more RAM. Hope you have also boosted your PC's performance.
Join with us with a subscription and click the bell icon to get the latest notification about new videos. And thanks for watching.